Nightmare Bonnie. Time to wake up. What is it, Chocolate Bonnie? Nap time's over. And it's time for you to wake up. Okay. Why don't you go watch TV or hang out with one of your friends? Okay. Come on, Nightmare Body. And I'm keeping this blanket on. Okay. You can play with your stuffed animals too. Okay. Oh, let's turn the TV down because it's way too loud. Come on, TV. TVG. TVG means it's for all ages, I think. I think it means that too. Now play with your stuffed animals or do something. I'm just gonna go work. Okay.
This becomes like a mudroom where they come in from the garage, and that's still a lot.
Stuffed animals are the best. Stuffed animals every day. Stuff. Look at the cute little face. Stuffed animals, the same pattern as my stuffed animal. Stuffed animal. Stuffed animal. Huh? What's happening to me? Oh, that's weird. I don't usually do that. I'm gonna go tell Chocolate Bonnie to fix me. Hey, Chocolate Bonnie, would you fix me? I don't know what's going on. Oh, it looks like you have a case of the hiccups. The hiccups? Yeah, the hiccups. They come like once in a while. This is my first time. Well, you should drink some water. Okay. Or maybe another drink, like milk. You know what? Like, we only have the baby milk bottle, so just go get it. I'm 4. I don't drink out of that anymore. Sorry, but that's our only bottle. You'll have to drink water out of that. Fine. Ugh, must be in here somewhere. Feel it. So stupid.
Step 2, I need to find at least $1,500 extra to make Operation Bedroom a reality.
This tastes awful.
Hi, I'm calling because I got your number. You were
It's soy milk. I hate soy milk. Well, I have to do it.
Can you come get it today?
Oh yeah, and Nightmare Bonnie got the hiccups, so let's go. I'll go help him. Good idea. Sure. Of course. Come on, guys. Let's go help.
The big piece is the shower. We took out. Oh yeah! Look at all that space. I don't think 3 of you could fit in there.
Wow.
That's how much space we got. That was a good idea by the way.
So what's wrong, Nightmare Bonnie? I got the hiccups. Oh, I got that when I was a little kid before, and a bunch of times after when I was a teenager. Right now, yesterday I got the hiccups. So Nightmare Bonnie, you're gonna have to deal with it. Oh, did he try drinking something? Yep, but it didn't work. Try sitting upside down. I need help with that. Alright, I'm the strongest here, so I'll help Nightmare Bonnie. Whoa, I'm upside down. Oh, come on, Nightmare Bonnie. Like, let's put you right here. Okay. It's still not working.
Tony has started opening up the wall for Operation Bedroom.
Well, let's see if 10 more seconds will work. All right, everybody, count to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, I just choked on a apple stem because someone made me eat an apple. What? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, it's not his fault because you're not supposed to swallow the stem either. Like, you're not supposed to swallow the stem because the stem can make you choke. Now, don't do that ever again. We don't want you to choke and die. Okay. Scare him. Okay. What did you do that for? Are you going to do something to me? Well, like, it will help with your hiccups, huh? I think I'm cured. Here I am. Yeah. I'm cured. All right, I'm gonna go play now. Okay, but what do you say to everybody that helped you? Thank you. Say his real name. Springtrap, Captain Foxy, Jacko Bonnie, and Chocolate Bonnie. You all helped me a lot, and I'm so grateful for you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I have a prize for all. You're gonna have to share it, but I'm gonna go around the chair and give it to you. Oh, here we go. Got it?
Life insurance. But would that company come through?
Here.
Then I found it.
That's why Amico was named one of the
It's a blanket, and it came with I don't know his name, but it came with my stuffed animal. Oh, we could use this for when we watch movies like Turning Red and Encanto. Yeah, and I can't wait to watch Encanto tonight. Yeah, tomorrow night we're gonna watch Turning Red. Turning Red! I love Turning Red. Or maybe we'll just watch a regular show. Oh. I don't care, because maybe we'll watch Big City Green or Peppa Pig. I think we should have a show night. Yeah, show night. Okay, show night, show night. I'm going to be at the show night, show night, show night, show night, show night. Look at I was show night, show night, show night, show night, show night, show night, show night. And Nightmare Body, how was your surgery today? Oh, it was good. They just gave me a sleeping pill and asked me to take water with it. And here, they sewed my hair, they ripped my hand open, and now it's good as new. See? That's where they gave me my surgery. Wow! I can't wait to get my eye surgery tomorrow. Yeah, it's gonna be a blast. And also, good luck with that, because they'll give you a sleeping pill. And also, it may not turn out good because I heard on the news that someone died of it. Yeah, because that was an evil doctor and didn't give him a sleeping pill, then cut their eye open. Fox, Captain Foxy, I'm gonna hide you, okay? I'm gonna hide you somewhere. It's where nobody will find you. Tomorrow. First thing tomorrow. I don't want him to get you, because you're my best brother. Oh, okay. Oh, I've been looking for him. Oh, yeah. And this is my favorite. And oh my gosh, you really. Yeah, we don't want a blankie. Yeah, those are for babies. Yeah. Like, I'm a teenager. Like, I'm a teenager. Yeah, he's a teenager. I'm an adult. Me too. I'm an adult too. Hey, anybody who has sharp teeth, come on. No, I have sharp teeth. Jacob Body has sharp teeth. And Captain Foxy. Well, I have flat teeth, as you can see. Oh, I have flat teeth too. See? I have flat teeth. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All the teeth. Here we go. Teeth, teeth, teeth. Please don't, Nightmare Bonnie. Yeah. That song is annoying. Yeah. I'm gonna sing it anyway. Teeth.